Welcome to Renee Holden Marketing, where we discuss lead generation, marketing strategies to help your small business grow. I'm Renee, I'm a marketing specialist, and today we're talking about how to create a landing page using the Storybrand framework. Now, last week I had a video talking about all of the elements of a landing page that you will need in order to abide by the Storybrand strategy, framework, whatever you want to call it. And basically we were talking about how Storybrand is this very popular marketing framework by marketer Donald Miller that basically places your customer as the hero of the story and you as the business owner, a guide helping your customer or the hero get what they want, which is the product or solution that you are offering. So today I'm going to walk you through on my computer how you can create your own Storybrand landing page and all of the little steps that you will want to include. So let's get started. Okay, so you can see on the screen we have up the Storybrand framework. So once again, the Storybrand framework is all about clarifying your messaging to your target customer. So in Storybrand, you, the business owner, you are a guide helping your customer, who is the hero, on their journey to achieving success, which refers to the value that your product or service is going to offer them, pretty much. But today we're going to use this framework to create a landing page. So I'm sure you know there are many different ways to create a landing page, but today we're going to be making a landing page in Canva. Imagery is one of the most important things that you want to use to convey who your target audience is, who you're talking to, maybe kind of like setting the scene of your pitch. So you can go to Photos, click City, let's use a slightly different one, and then just kind of create it the way you want. And then next thing you want to have image-wise is ideally a picture of a person. I've already downloaded this from Canva. You can see there are quite a few other ones, but you can actually upload your own things to Canva too. So you would really ideally put your own image. So after you have used imagery to convey, set the scene of your pitch, and image of yourself to build trust with your audience, now you want to focus on your text. So your text, the most important part of it is going to be your headline. So for this, I'm going to just use a box that we can write some text over. Also ensuring that there's a lot of contrast in your image will help people, notice it more and help, it to be easily read. So let's go ahead and add that. Next, we have a little bit of information. So this is building trust. This copy really is trying to build trust with your audience. So some ways you could quickly and easily build trust with your audience would be to have a testimonial, have a review, a stat of some sort, something specific. You can see in here I also mentioned that this is for locations in Seattle, so that kind of reminds people again of who your target audience is. After you get in your text, you want to add a little bit of information about who you are, and this is a very typical kind of unique feature of Storybrand because you see so many ads and landing pages with the company's name as the main headline, and that's what sticks out first. But people don't necessarily resonate with headlines that are just like a brand or a company's name, They're trying to solve their own problems, they care about their own issues. So making your name, the name of your company, smaller in favor of addressing a pain point of your customers is exactly the Storybrand framework. It's clarifying what you do and not who you are exactly. And the last aspect of this landing page that we want to add is our call to action. So after you have established trust with your audience through your text and through addressing a pain point, and with your imagery, you've kind of set the stage about who you are as the guide and what the scene is that you're working in. You want to call your customer on a journey. So the way you do this is by adding a call to action. So let's make this a little nicer. You want to have a call to action button that sticks out from the rest of your page. So let's actually make this like a yellow color. All right, and then we want to have our main call to action. So main call to action, let's put that in a different color as well. Here are all the elements of the Storybrand framework on this landing page. And you can see in the top right corner, we can publish this as a website. So it doesn't really matter if this page isn't linked to your website because it's a landing page. So you're going to attach this to emails, ads, social media posts, anywhere that's like a transition from your social media or something else, a transition onto your website. Okay, and you can see here now we have a link to our page and you can easily view it here. I add another page, so we have actually two. Here's the one I created earlier, and then here's the one we just created together. So that's pretty much how you create a landing page in Canva using the Storybrand framework. So if you're interested in more, comment below and let me know. Thanks, have a good day, bye.